everyone and welcome back. So after your maths class, now it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. So now class, today's EVS class is somewhat related to the topic that we have done on Friday. On Friday in conversation we have learned about different seasons. You remember that? So if we discuss that again and starting from the beginning, if we follow the order, so the first season we have learnt was spring season, then comes the summer season. After summer, which season was there? It was rainy. Then the rainy was followed by autumn season, and after autumn it was winter season. Isn't it? These were the 5 seasons we have learnt about, and I have also told you in which month, during which month these seasons come. Isn't it? So now let us see, today we are going to discuss about summer season and winter season in little detail. We are going to discuss what all things we do or enjoy in summer season and what do we do and enjoy in winter season. And after that we are going to compare also. Clear? So let us just begin once again. Now tell me one thing first. In summer season, as it is just going on these days, who is wearing sweaters or woolens? Is anyone wearing that? No. We all prefer wearing light clothes. किस तरह के कपड़े पहनना पसंद करते हैं? Light clothes, like cotton clothes. We all prefer wearing shorts, t-shirts, which are very comfortable for us, isn't it? Then we all switch on our ACs, coolers and fans. Otherwise हमें गर्मी लगती है, we feel hot, we sweat. So to make ourselves comfortable, we have to switch on our fans, then ACs or coolers, and we prefer drinking lemonades or we prefer eating ice creams. So in summer season what we do? We prefer taking cold things. Lemonade हो गया, ठंडा होता है. We prefer drinking cold water, cold drinks. Who is drinking hot soup? Is anyone prefer taking hot soup in summers? Nobody. क्यों? क्योंकि वो hot होता है और अगर हम hot चीज लेंगे तो हमें और गर्मी लगेगी and it is already very hot outside. Sun जो होता है वो बहुत brightly shine कर रहा होता है, उसकी heat बहुत ज़्यादा होती है उस time पे, isn't it? So there are a lot of things that we avoid in summer season. The things which we avoid मतलब जिनसे हम बचते हैं, that is we don't prefer taking hot drinks, tea, coffee, soup, ये हम avoid करते हैं. ठीक है? Now coming to the fruits, we prefer eating mangoes because the fruit that comes in summer is mango. Then we eat watermelon, muskmelon, lot of melons are coming, we eat them in summers. Now moving towards winter season, if we discuss, in winters we wear woolen clothes. हम सब sweaters पहनते हैं, cap पहनते हैं. See, we wear woolen cap, we wear woolen clothes, woolen sweaters. Then we prefer taking hot drinks like hot chocolate, or you can say soups, soupy noodles. Lot of hot things we prefer. Up in summers we are using air condition. AC यूज करते हैं, फैन चलाते हैं, कूलर यूज करते हैं. बट व्हेन इट इज विंटर, जब विंटर सीजन होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? वी यूज हीटर्स. हम हीटर्स यूज करते हैं. Isn't it that so? Okay. Then in summers you all prefer eating ice creams. Do you eat ice cream in winter season? Yes. Can anyone tell me? Do you eat ice cream in winter season? No, we don't. So now class, open your environmental studies book on page 103. We'll discuss this on board today. Okay. So please open page number 103. For summer, book page number 103. And for winter season, we'll do work on book again, and the page number is 104. So what is there on these pages? There are a lot of things that we prefer doing in summer. Like we use fan there, then we use air condition. Yes, ice. हम कुछ भी खाते हैं, कुछ भी पीते हैं. We try to टेक इट लाइक ठंडा लेना होता है. If you are drinking water, वो भी we want cold. If we are taking cold drinks, again any drink which is cold is what we prefer in summer season, isn't it? Then swimming, yes, you all love swimming. हमें सबको अच्छा लगता है water में splash करना, pool में खेलना. So we enjoy doing swimming also in summers. Now who likes to splash in water during winters? विंटर्स में वाटर में स्प्लैश करना किसको पसंद है? नोबडी ना. बहुत ठंड लगती है विंटर्स में तो मम्मा नहाने को बोलती है, हम तो भी नहीं नहाते हैं. Isn't it like that? और समर्स में we want to take bath again and again. मजा आता है पानी में खेलने में. So this is how winter and summer season are opposite to each other. Now the video which I shared you on Friday, that was having a small animated series in it. उसमें एक छोटी सी animated series थी. That was telling about how a girl and her mother, they were in Manali when it was a snowfall there. Now tell me when the snowfall happens. Snowfall always happens in winter season. Winters में snowfall होता है. What is snow? जो बर्फ गिरती है. अब जब पानी की जगह snowfall हो रहा है, obviously weather बहुत ठंडा होगा. So you must have observed in that video that mother and the small girl, they were wearing woolen clothes, isn't it? So whenever we are going to any place where it is snowy there, जहाँ weather बहुत ठंडा है, तो at that place we always carry our woolen clothes with us. That means that is a place where winter season is going on. Is that clear? And when we are going to some beach, like we are going to Goa, we are going to any pool side for parties, that is we are preferring taking very light clothes there so that हमें ज़्यादा गर्मी ना लगे and we can enjoy there. Clear? So now let us see how we are going to do the work in book. Today's book work is really very interesting, something which you like to do. We are going to do a lot of sticker pasting in it. Eagerly waiting to start with it? Okay, just see how I am going to do and do with me only. Clear? So open your book on page number 103 and 104. Let's see how we are going to do our today's book work. Okay? So class, now open your environmental studies book 2. And as I told you, open this book on page number 103. See, on 103 you will find the topic summer season. Yes, you will find your topic summer season. Now what we are going to do? First is paste the sticker of things that we like to do or use in summers. अब हम summers में जो करते हैं, जो like करते हैं, you have to paste these stickers there. But before that we'll write today's date. That is 29th September 2020. And this is our classwork. Clear? Now see from where you are going to get all these stickers. From the back side. ये देखिए back में आपको sticker pages थे ना. So from there, the first sticker we have is a fan. So we'll remove this sticker. We'll remove it. And what we are going to do? We'll paste it on this like this. We'll paste it here like this. फैन के पिक्चर के ऊपर. The next we have is an AC. Again we'll peel it off from here and I'll paste it here now like this. Done? Like this you are going to peel all the stickers of summer season first. We have ice, then we have mango, now this work can be done under your elders' guidance also, so that these stickers don't get spoiled. So one is ice cubes. So from where we get these ice cubes, can anyone tell me? वाटर को जब हम रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखते हैं ना, फ्रीजर में, तो वो आइस बन जाती है, वो इतनी ज़्यादा फ्रीज हो जाती है. So this is mango, this is mango and this is watermelon. So these are the true fruits that we eat in summer season. Okay, then we have sunglasses to protect us from sun. We have juice, ice creams. Then we enjoy swimming also. So now again we have sunglasses. Now here a juice. Yes, here I have it. I'll paste it here. Then an ice cream. Wow. A boy who is enjoying swimming here like this. So last we have is a lemonade. So what we'll do now, we'll take the picture of this lemonade and we'll paste it here like this. Clear? So this is how you are going to paste the picture of fan. So we all we all use fan in summer. We all use ACs as I told you. Then ice, हमें सब कुछ ठंडा ठंडा अच्छा लगता है. We enjoy eating mangoes. We enjoy eating watermelon. Then sunglasses. Why we use sunglasses? Because sun is very bright and shiny, and these sunglasses, what they do? They protect our eyes from sun. Then we enjoy mango juice. You all love drinking fruities. Then ice creams, as I told you, we enjoy swimming. Pool में splash करते हैं. Then we enjoy drinking lemonades also. Yes. Now, circle 2 mistakes in the picture of a hot summer day. अब ये कौन सी picture है? It's a picture of hot summer day. Now there are 2 things which is mistakenly drawn here. 2 चीजें यहाँ पे गलती से draw हो गई हैं. We have to circle it out. What are they? See, a girl, boy, then one more child. What they are doing? They all are enjoying ice cream. तो हम summer में ice cream खाते हैं. So there is nothing wrong. Then this boy, he is also wearing summer clothes. Now can you see this man is using bonfire. Bonfire हम कब use करते हैं? Winters में जब हमें ठंड लगती है, we use this bonfire ना. We sit near the bonfire. हम bonfire के पास बैठते हैं so that we can take the warmth from there. हम वहाँ से गर्मी ले पाएं, isn't it? So but summers में तो we don't need a bonfire. Do you need a bonfire in summers? No. So we'll circle it like this. I have done a circle here. Done? Now see, summers में who wears this woolen cloth? Who prefers wearing woolen clothes in summer? Nobody. Already इतनी winter है, उसमें woolen clothes पहनेंगे तो we cannot survive ना. So summers में कौन woolen clothes पहनता है? Nobody ना. So what we'll do? We'll circle it now. Summers में nobody wears the woolen clothes. So this is also a wrong picture. Understood that? Okay, now moving to the next we have is winter season. Clear? So again we'll write today's date. 29th September 2020, and this is your homework. Now paste stickers of things we would like to have or use in winter. So as we have done for summer season, you are going to paste stickers for winter also. यहाँ पे winter के लिए भी you are going to paste the stickers. From where you will get them? Again from here, see, quilt, sweater, coat. Then we have muffler, gloves, heater. We have nuts. We have groundnut, soup, bonfire. So these are the things that we have in winters. Now circle 2 mistakes in the picture of a cold winter day. Now this is the picture of a cold winter day. जब ठंड का मौसम होता है उसकी पिक्चर है ये. So what you have to do? You have to circle 2 mistakes even here also. See, these 3 students, they are enjoying bonfire. So winters में तो हम enjoy करते हैं bonfire, है ना? So this is correct. Now see, this boy is wearing summer clothes, isn't it? Winters में इस तरह के half sleeve और cut sleeve clothes कोई भी नहीं पहनता. This boy is also wearing sleeveless. इन दोनों ने woolen clothes पहने हुए नहीं है. Because it is a scene of cold winter day, so that means these 2 boys are not wearing appropriate clothes. ये दोनों ने ठीक से क्लोथ्स नहीं पहने हैं, they are not wearing the clothes according to the season. So we are going to circle these two pictures. One is this and the other one is this. Understood? Now let's see how we are going to paste these stickers also. So again, we are going to start peeling it from here. I'll peel two at a time and then I'll paste it. So first we have is a quilt. What is a quilt? Something that we take or we cover ourselves in winters. जब हम सोते हैं, so we cover ourselves with this quilt to keep us warm. Then we have sweater. You all wear a sweater in winters? Then what is this? What picture is this? It's a coat. Who wears it? Papa wears it when he goes to office, and sometimes even you wear it. Nowadays even small boys are also wearing coat. So this is the picture of a coat. Next we have is a muffler. So what is a muffler? Can anyone tell me? It's a woolen piece of, it's a woolen cloth that we wrap around our neck to keep it warm. गले के ऊपर wrap करते हैं so that we can keep it warm. So what we call it? A muffler. Next we have is gloves. So gloves we wear in our hand. You all wear it when you come to school. Winters mein na? Yes. So this is gloves. So next we have is heater. As I told you, हम summers में use करते हैं air condition, fan, and in winters we use heater. What we use in winters? Heater. तो क्या होता है, इसमें से ना hot air आती है और हमें room temperature maintain करने में help होती है उससे. Then we have nuts. What we have next? Nuts. Nuts is like almonds, cashews. Okay, next is peas. Peas यानी मटर. So peas we get in winters. You can say peas also, or these are actually not peas. Here it is written wrong. This is groundnut. What was this? It's groundnut यानी मूंगफली. So हम winters में मूंगफली खाते हैं ना. Then we have soup. Next we have is soup. So here is the picture of a soup and we'll paste it like this. And last is what we enjoy. We enjoy sitting near the bonfire. So here the picture and we'll paste it like this. So I hope you have understood your both classwork and homework. What we have done, we have learned about different things or activities that we enjoy in summer season as well as in winter season. Okay? So class, I hope that you have understood about these two seasons, about the things that we enjoy in these two seasons and what we don't do in summer and what we don't do in winter. Isn't it? So it is like a revision of what we have done in our conversation class. So finish your work and get ready for the next class. But one thing which I want to tell you once again, don't forget to share your work with me after your exams. I am watching that few students are not sharing it regularly. आप 2-3 days का इकट्ठा work share कर रहे हैं. That is not a good habit. Share your work regularly with me. Okay? So now get ready for the next class. Bye.